Hey guys, welcome back to Moony. Today we're back with Lightning McQueen from Disney's Cars, and we're gonna play with some Play-Doh. Alright, this set comes with 3 colors. We have red, blue, and yellow. Do you know what red, blue, and yellow all have in common? They're all primary colors. Look, we have a gas station. We have a roller. And a Play-Doh tool. Let's take a closer look at Lightning McQueen. Look, we can pop his hood. We can also see his engine. Lightning McQueen has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels. That makes him able to drive fast. Do you remember what Lightning McQueen's racing number is? Was it 2? No, I don't think it was 2. What about 48? No, I don't think it was 48. That's right! His racing number is 95. I kind of want to give Lightning McQueen some fancy wheels. Should we do it? Wow! Now let's give Lightning McQueen his lightning bolts on the side. Look, they have his racing numbers on them. Do you remember what it is? Yes! That's right, 95. More lightning bolts. Wow! Ka-chow! Ka-chow! Let's see what we can make when we pop his hood. All right, are you ready? Yes! have a flag. We have a number decal. An engine. A spare tire. A radiator. And an exhaust pipe. Thanks, Lightning McQueen. Did you have fun today? We made so many things and decorated Lightning McQueen. From me and Lightning, don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.